Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Herman Green. The Bank of Jamaica, BOJ, is insisting that financial entities should lend more to the private sector. Senior Deputy Governor at the Central Bank, John Robinson, argues that expansion in private sector credit is still sluggish. The Deputy Governor says financial entities can do better given current monetary policy. The latest data from the Bank of Jamaica show that lending to the private sector increased by 15% over the last year. We go now to currency trading as the day ended with the US dollar selling for $131.04. The Canadian dollar is now going for $100.27. It now costs $164.55 for the pound sterling, while the euro is selling for $146.89. In equities trading today, the JSE index declined by 2,672 points, while the junior market index gained 57. Among the winners were Epley, Paramount Trading, Victoria Mutual Investment, Cargo Handlers, and Cygnus Credit Investment US dollar shares. On the losing side were Consolidated Bakeries, CAC 2000, Preference Shares, Supreme Ventures, 1834 Investments, and Portland JSX. And that wraps up the Business Day. I'm Herman Green. Good evening.